front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to hit Additional Settings. Then select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Now it's time to click on Corrections and Suggestions, and finally use all of those switches next to all of those features to switch them off or turn them on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!